Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from jamtoursafrica.com family. I'm the ATM over there, so. So where's the Absa Bank? Yeah, right, so. Let's go that way. Yeah, family. So actually, me there. I just want to let you guys know that actually I'm in Kenya me there. And while I was actually, working out this morning, doing my morning routine, actually, this thought come to me and I said to myself that, if anybody from Jamaica watch my videos and stuff and you feel like say it's a time for you to move. You know what I mean? Jam tours here in Kenya, and that's my relief package to actually help you get set up and make sure so everything goes smooth for you in Kenya so you can actually rebuild family. You know what I mean? I know most Jamaicans just a name, just to be in a Jamaican alone. You come in Kenya, you come in Africa is actually a celebrity already, family. All you have to do is just turn on your camera on YouTube. If you're looking for a way to make money, TikTok, all of these things, family. So much things to do in Africa, in Kenya, your family. So if you're coming to Kenya, it's a reset for you for everything, because you already have the awareness as a Jamaican. You're already highly motivated. You're already highly ambitious. You know what I mean? You're already highly talented. You know what I mean? You just might not know that you're so talented because you're in a place where there's so much talent. So how can you identify if you're talented? How can you find out, what you're good at? Even for jam tours. I was nobody in Jamaica, family. Now I'm in Kenya, and you can't come in Africa and know about me. And you can't come in Kenya and know about me. You can't get anything done in Kenya and you don't call up jam tours. You know what I mean? Anything you have to do with Jamaica right now, everybody knows that me them a call. You know what I mean? So if somebody will keep an event concerned around Jamaica, somebody want Jamaican food to be at them wedding and them party, and me them a call that. So you know what I mean? So out of the bottom of Jamaica, we come up on top in Africa. And family, there's so many more talented people than me in Jamaica. There's so many people with more money than me in Jamaica. There's so many people with more business than me. There's so much successful entrepreneur more than me. You know what I mean? In Jamaica. Even when they come out just real estate family. If you guys actually serious and have a little money, you know what I mean? I'm not saying everybody in a real estate right now. Wow. You know what I mean? This is what I think about the whole of that stuff family. You know what I mean? Everybody who have real estate in Jamaica have nothing now. You know what I mean? So, in a Kenya, in a Nairobi family, there's no natural disaster where you go come and mash up, nothing like that. That never heard of, that's unheard of. You know what I mean? Kenya is a very protected and holy place. You know what I mean? So, I just here with my brother family, my Caribbean brother, I'm forward in, and I was saying to myself that I was talking in the car, and the man was saying that I whole heap of doubt him if he's supposed to come to Africa. When the West hold you and chop you up. You know what I mean? And wrap you up. It's like when you're supposed to come, even when you knew you're supposed to come, you still have doubt. You get through? Alright, so let's go family. Let's go. Yeah family, so I just want to show you guys this is where I live in Kenya. And this is for my Jamaican massive van crew. That my relief that I can do for somebody who's serious and somebody who's really want to actually feel like it's the time up in Jamaica right now. You really want to make a change. Even if 20 Jamaican man want to come, 20 singles. You know what I mean? You come family, this is an apartment. One thing with Kenya, we're in a shorter housing. We're in a shorter place to live. You can step out of your house just now and go rent a place and move in. You know what I mean? One of these apartments, some of them have studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom family. Very cheap family. You can get on a studio for like 20,000 Jamaican dollars a month. You know what I mean? So you come and you pay like a year rent, and you relax and chill, and you actually think about what you want to do. You know what I mean? You think about the ideas and whatever, and boom. You know what I mean? You come, you buy a little fridge, you buy a little stove, and so you start. You're there with jam tours, you're going to see the runnings, you're going to see how things are move, and you're going to catch on something, and so you actually are going to make something of yourself, family. You know what I mean? A lot of talented people that are Jamaica, but you just need to come out of Jamaica. You know what I mean? Jamaica, you're already a Jamaican that will never change. You're already a powerful person. You're already, you know what I mean? The world already know you. So the break you need and the change you need, family, is just to actually, you know what I mean? It's just to actually make a change and move out. You know what I mean? Maybe now is the time for you to actually move out of Jamaica and go somewhere else, go build and start life. And as you know, guys, Africa is calling us. You know, it's in the music, We've been preaching and teaching about back to Africa, repatriation, you know what I mean? So now is the time, family, when everything gone and everything disappear, get a chance to rebuild and get a chance to actually, you know what I mean? So this will be my relief program. If actually anybody want to come, even if you have little money in Jamaica, I can show you, you know what I mean, nice place to live in Kenya, where you just feel like, you know, miss nothing from Jamaica, family. You know what I mean? So this is just my relief that I'll do for anybody who want to come. I'll actually receive you with open arms and actually get you set up, get you settled, get everything for you, and you can actually start life again. Yeah, family, so I'm here with my brother, and I forgot to the ATM to get some money and stuff. As I said, guys, you know, coming to Kenya, it's so easy. When you come, now ask Jam Tours, we just give you a nice business Nairobi setup tour where we get your M-Pesa, we get your bank account, you get all of these things, you know what I mean? You know, we help you all, teach you how to transfer money from the US, UK, any bank account you have to M-Pesa and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put a link here, guys, for you to sign up for Wise. Wise is what I use when I'm out there. I can connect my bank account, international bank accounts, and for my business and stuff, that's normally my online business. The money normally come to Wise, I convert it to Kenyan shillings, send it to my M-Pesa file. In space, you can even actually walk into the supermarket, send your money to Wise, and by the time you reach at the counter, your money in your M-Pesa. You know what I mean? So it's a serious thing, family. It's not a joke thing. As I was saying to my parents, I know a lot of people right now, you know, go down to a lower tier in Jamaica right now. So if you want to come back up on the higher tier, let's come to Kenya, family. But they have to receive you. That is my relief gift. That is my relief package, is to help you to get set up in a Kenya, family. So as I was saying to my people in Jamaica, anybody who into real estate is booming, it's booming and booming. You know what I mean? And Jam Tour's master plan is to build some eco-friendly house. You know what I mean? Unique, my style, you know, so anything when me do on my style already. And I'll be renting them out, I'll be selling them and stuff like that. So that's the ultimate goal, family. You know what I mean? To be a real estate developer. So this are the thing now. So Jam Tours are on land. Anywhere land the Jam Tours want it, and they want to find it, and they want to buy it. And as you guys see, I'm partnered up with Up2Ven to sell you guys legit land, family and so forth. So if you guys need that information, link up on the WhatsApp. And if you guys know anybody who are talking about Africa and want to come to Kenya, share this video with them in Jamaica. This will be my relief package to actually help you get set up in Kenya with everything. You know what I mean? Just like I'm living here, you can come and do the same thing. You know what I mean? As a Jamaican, it's actually in you. And as a Jamaican, the most I want us back here as a Jamaican to help rebuild Africa, to actually, you know, build up that Pan-African spirit in the African people. You know what I mean? So we all come as one with that Pan-African spirit and vibe, family. You know, Jamaicans, all Jamaicans are Pan-Africans. It's just a few of them maybe don't understand and know. But yeah, family, it's time to make a change and it's time to make a move. And me want to help you make that move, family. Because when we made that move, I was just in a situation and I decided I got to get out of it. So if you're in a situation and you got to get out of it, family. There's so much politics play in this hurricane and all kind of thing. So and when you're in Jamaica right now, it's like everybody is at the bottom of the barrel now, and they must try to tear you down and drag you down. So to get out of that situation, family, it's a good way to just move out, because most Jamaicans are, a crab in a barrel already, much less now in a situation where everybody's at the bottom of the barrel. You know what I mean? It's hard for you to come out. So just make a move, family. If you can make a move, link up with Jam Tours, organize it, pick it from the airport. As I was thinking, that apartment that I am showing in the next clip, I can actually get one of these apartments for you, furnish it out for you. When you come, you have a nice little place to jam and chill and understand how Kenya run until you get yourself, until you know where you want to do, family. You know what I mean? So, let's go. Yeah. Camera rolling, action.
What do you want me to say?
Alright, family, so we're actually going out to Nanyuki this Saturday to look at some land. So I just want Jackie to actually share more information about that, what is available.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to come out with us, if you watch this video today, just link me up and we can arrange to take you guys to see the land so you can see exactly what we're talking about.
Oh yes, so on Saturday we are off to Nanyuki, guys. So anybody wants to come with us, please call us and and we'll take you to Nanyuki. One of the best projects at Optiven is right there in Nanyuki, at the heart and center of Nanyuki. You know?
So what is so special about this land? What is so special about it?
Well, proximity to the town. That's the first thing about the Nanyuki project, proximity to the town. And also, Nanyuki is known to be one of the best tourism attraction areas. Yes. So anybody who wants to have the best kind of tropical weather and the best kind of property, it's right there in Nanyuki. And guess what? You can go and see.
Yeah, let's go and see.
Hit us up and we'll take you to go and see Nanyuki.
Let's go for free.
On Saturday. Oh, Ramesh is saying free.
Yeah, I normally bring my people for free.
Hit us up. We'll take you there. Yes.
So what about the pricing? How many plots available and stuff?
Oh, we are 95% sold out.
Oh,
We're
really?
now on phase 9. Very few plots remaining. Price currently is at 399,000 for an eighth of an acre. But from 1st November, we have a price change a lot.
A lot. So you guys...
Be careful, don't miss out.
Don't miss out, all right.
Don't miss out. So call us, hit us up, and we'll take you there.
All right. Thank you,
so
Jackie.
much,
Thank you. Yeah, family. So as you guys know, and actually on Saturday we actually go up to look at these lands and stuff, so you can see for yourself. So as I said, guys, you know what I mean, this plot almost finished already. You know what I mean. So if you get nothing yet, actually just link me up and we can maybe slash a piece for you. And as I said, guys, in Kenya you have freehold and leasehold land. And if you want to get freehold, you have to register a company, and I can assist with that in space of second you get that actually company set up, and you put your land on it to get it freehold. So that's a little you know what I mean, law trick if you want to actually get land freehold, family. So yeah, because Nanyuki land, you never actually, I think maybe if you're a foreigner you cannot buy it like that, because now it's a serious type of land. You know, that land is a special land for me. If you can own a piece of that land, I'm telling you, you're owning a piece of actually the holy land. So on Saturday, family, I'm going to give you guys a tour. So look out for that, family. You know what I mean? It's going to be one of the craziest tours. For me, when I'm in Nanyuki, I feel like I can touch the sky and I feel like I'm in Jamaica. So that's how I feel when I'm there. I feel so peaceful. I feel like, you know what I mean? Nothing can do me over there. So that's how me feel when I'm in Nanyuki. So I'm just want to actually share the experience with you and hope you guys will actually follow through and come get some land in Africa. You know what I mean? Africa calling. So when you see the warning, you know what I mean, it's time to move. It's time to change a new gear. It's time to change a new leaf in your page book and start a new journey in Africa. That's what the most I want. Alright, so one love, bless, Jamaica. I'm out. Yeah, family, so you know, today is a Saturday. We're heading out to Nanyuki. I'm not gonna be on this trip, you know what I mean, but Jackie is gonna be on this trip. She's going out there to show some land out there in Nanyuki. So guys, well, look out for me. Next Saturday I will be there. I will be going out there to show you guys, but today my brother is going out there to look at his land and stuff. We are in Nairobi, in this city. It's alright, Jackie, so
The usual. And you're not going to
no, I can't make it today. I have daddy duties to deal with.
So today we are headed out to Nanyuki. It's a chilly day.
Yeah.
Raining, but we are hoping the weather down there will be
good. That's how it's always been in when it's raining here. When you go out there, it's just the sun is just out. It's just a different weather when you go.
So it's mostly tropical weather. So you'll find sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's hot. But yeah, we love the weather. So come with us today. And you'll keep watching the videos.
I can't wait to come out there on the 8th, right? So this is an announcement, guys. On the 8th, make sure you link up with us, book with us, WhatsApp us, and then you can be on this tour out to Nanyuki. Get a free tour of Nanyuki with us. Optiven, inspire possibility, and that's exactly what we want to do.
Thank you, Ramesh.
Yeah, take care. Safe travel, safe journey.